To access the in.stream menu, click on the Mode button until the in.stream menu is displayed. First, we can select the audio source. Select Auxiliary Input with the Aux button. Select Bluetooth with the Bluetooth button. We can start or pause the music by using the Start Pause button. We can also increase or decrease the volume by using the up and down keys. We can change the song by using the Next and Previous buttons. And we can also turn the unit on and off by using the Power key. To return to the main screen, simply press the Program key.